Game. Well, snow's not letting up. But I gotta finish off these batteries because I don't like the batteries to sit. So it's CUB-a-Blubba time.
Riders on the storm, riders on the storm. Into this house we're born.
I'm afraid it's going to be a hand launch too.
Into this world we're thrown. Like
Let's
a dog without a bone.
try not to get lost.
There's a killer on the road.
CUB-a-Blubba.
His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road.
Almost lost it there. That would have been fun. I did lose it there. Afraid the wind's a little more powerful than I thought. You know, that's the bonus part of flying in deep, wet snow.
Take him by the hand.
Cushions. Cushions.
Make him understand. The world on you depends. Our life will never end.
Oh boy, there is a really nasty wind current over there. I'm gonna walk down here. A lot cleaner here. I'm still getting that slope effect, but not nearly as much with this beast. CUB-a-Blubba is not exactly is aerobatic. And really all I want to do is get these batteries down. This is the same battery, by the way, I was using in the Turbo Timber. Still had 4.12 volts per cell. You can dig it. So, good for another 10 minutes of flying with this. Especially putting around at a quarter throttle. But since this went on its weight reduction and power enhancement, it's actually a good flying little plane. And as you can see, it can be slowed fairly good, fairly well, fairly bad, pretty good. Just have to watch for the tip stalls, because it's still heavily wing loaded. It's wing loaded like a frickin' warbird.
Riders on the storm.
But it's fun to screw around with. And you can't really
To this house we're born,
go wrong.
into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone, riders on the storm.
And as I said before, don't want to get it out too far out there because here comes the next little squall of snow. And I have just a little bit of time before, wow, got blown down. Before I go see the Rowdies with special guest star, the Stars. Got that Temptress trio going to perform for them. So it's gonna be fun. You know, these girls have more talents than you can shake a stick at. Dancing, singing, merriment. They're just amazing. I am pretty lucky to know them. Oh yeah, there's a, wow, that's crazy. There's like a buffeting, I know this is right here, gets really steep, like that's a good 35-40 degree angle, and here it's less. Like, so the wind dynamics change quite a bit. I wonder how close I am to running the battery out. Should we go for one more little blast? One more little one? Try and bring it in on the runway? Let's do that.
I put a spell on you.
Off, little cub, off! Off you go.
Because you're
You know, if you don't do anything crazy with this thing, it is actually
Stop the
quite a good
things
little
you
flyer.
do.
It's a cub after all.
What's up?
Inherently stable. Now I see I got blown down over there.
No running around. I can't stand. No put me down. I put a spell on you.
Yeah, it's got some interesting winds going on here. Let's call that a landing. And I'm gonna say adieu. Magnifique. Yes, I will say adieu. That's got to be close enough. And the wind's starting to pick up again anyways. So,
Stop the things you
great
do.
day. I'll see y'all later. And yeah, be good to each other. Bye-bye.
What's up?